Hi, I'm Danny Coyle, head teacher of Newman Catholic College here, and like many other people in Brent and Harlesden in particular, we've really benefited from the community response kitchen and the work of Daksha Vashani. Every single day, and if you come with me, I'll show you what I mean.
Yeah we are, community response kitchen. Ooh yeah, we spread love. Community response kitchen, serving love in every meal, understanding how you feel. Through trying times, we're by your side. Throughout our city, London, and the whole world, we are spreading love. We are community response kitchen. Yeah we are, community response kitchen. Giving back is what we love to do, making a better world for me and you. Because we live in a world where there's so much pain. A lot of people only think about their own gain, but who will think about the motherless, those without a father? Who will think about the homeless, those without a shelter? That's why we've come together, taking every little donation to put food on the table of those who need our help. Community response kitchen, serving love in every meal, understanding how you feel. Through trying times, we're by your side. Throughout our city, London, and the whole world, we are spreading love. We are community response kitchen, giving to the elderly, that's what we do. Helping students that are stranded, that's what we do. A better world for you and me, doesn't matter where you're from. Love is a secret recipe. Beautiful people volunteering to work as young chefs, prep chefs, and drivers. To people like you that help with donation. Together we make it work. Community response kitchen, serving love in every meal, understanding how you feel. Through trying times, we're by your side. Throughout our city, London, and the whole world, we are spreading love. We are community response kitchen. Yeah we are, community response kitchen. Spreading love, spreading hope. Yeah we are, community response kitchen. Spreading love, spreading hope.
It's WILDZ XL.